This is why you are losing so much money in Forex. What's up guys, it's your man Tricky T and I'm an artist currently trading Forex to fund my music, and my goal for this year is $100,000 baby. Come on, let's go, we can do this. If you're new here, please like, comment and subscribe. There's a lot for the channel. As you can see, it's a different type of video. I'm actually on the road, I'm on the move, so I have to just pack and then make this video. Yeah, because I'm on the move. One thing that I've learned that is the problem with a lot of us traders, including myself, is when we lose, we want to make that money back immediately. Like, I thought I had overcome this thing, but it happened to me again last week. And when I checked, I noticed that my losses were so much, not because my setups were bad, but because when I hit my stop loss and then I decided to go into the market again immediately after I lost, that is where the problem starts from. That is the major problem, guys. So like I had the setup, I hit my stop about 20 pip stop loss, you know, and then I should have just waited, but no, that urge to want to go back into the market, that's where the problem is. So you find out that you start taking stupid trades. Like when I because I journal everything I do, when I go back and I check out the losses, I discover that it's from those trades that I take after I've just lost. That's like after probably I hit my stop loss, where I should calm down, relax and wait. I want to go back into the market again immediately. That is the point where I start making crazy mistakes, guys. And this thing I just noticed is crazy, because when you if you have a setup, you already know you're going to lose maybe 20 pips, maybe $20, $30, you know you are going to lose that. When you lose that, that's not a problem. But when you start revenge trading, you don't even know how much you want to lose. You just want to make money. And then in that process, you now start taking crazy losses, man. So I know it's difficult even for me myself. Talking is difficult because it happened to me again just last week. But the reason why we are losing so much money when we trade at times is when we try to revenge trade, or when we try to get back money we just lost, or when we enter into a trade immediately after we just lost. It's crazy. It's crazy. I think my advice is, when we lose, I'll talk to myself, when I lose, what I've started doing is when I lose, I just leave the trade for a while. I just do something else. I just understand. I leave the trade for a while. If not, I'll keep losing and losing and losing and losing. Anyway, like I said, it's going to be a short video. I'm on the road, like I said earlier on. So what do you guys think? What are the reasons for your greatest losses? Let me know in the comment section. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you all. I'm on the move. Peace.